Hello guys, welcome back again to another video. So I'm here at the farm and I'm expecting this sow to start farrowing today. She is very restless. She has been nesting the whole of the last 1 hour. So I'm expecting her to farrow either tonight or tomorrow early in the morning, because look at her Ada. Yes, she's trying to distract herself with that chain. It's just awesome to see her trying to distract herself from how she's feeling. Yeah, so the piglets are even moving inside of her womb. If you're attentive enough, that's when you'll realize that. But look at that. I wanted to wash her, but she's angry. She doesn't want me near her, and for the last 2 days her appetite has gone down. So yeah, I'm expecting some piglets. Yeah, so keep it locked.